Hello everyone, here is today's challenge. This challenge looks complicated, but with a few algebra tricks you will see that it's actually much easier than it first appears. The question says x raised to the power of x divided by x equals 18x divided by 2x, and our goal here is to find the value of x. Let's solve it together step by step. The first thing is, let's simplify the right hand side, starting with the easiest part. We have it as 18x divided by 2x. Both the numerator and the denominator contain an x. As long as x is not equal to 0, then let's divide. That is, x cancel x. So we are left with 18 divided by 2. So 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. So our equation becomes x raised to the power of x divided by x equals 9. The next thing is, let's simplify the left hand side, which is x raised to the power of x divided by x. Remember that x equals x raised to the power of 1, and whenever we divide powers with the same base, that is, we subtract the exponent. The exponent law we are going to be using is a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n, which will give us a raised to the power of m minus n. Now let's apply this rule to this equation. That is, x raised to the power of x divided by x will give us x raised to the power of x divided by x raised to the power of 1, which is equal to x raised to the power of x minus 1. Now our equation becomes x raised to the power of x minus 1 equals 9. Let's write our number 9. Note that 9 equals 3 squared. So we can write our equation as x raised to the power of x minus 1 equals 3 raised to the power of 2. Now, what number makes the left side become 3 raised to the power of 2? Then the number is 3. Then x minus 1 equals 2. So 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 equals 3 raised to the power of 2, which gives us 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So on the left side we have 3 raised to the power of 2, and also on the right side we have 3 raised to the power of 2. So x equals 3 works perfectly. So our x equals 3. The next thing is, let's verify if our x equals 3 truly works for this equation. Let's verify. We are substituting x equals 3 into the original equation. The original equation says x raised to the power of x divided by x equals 18x divided by 2x. Let's substitute x equals 3. So we have this as 3 raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 equals 18 times 3 divided by 2 times 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 means 3 times 3 times 3, which will give us 27 divided by 3 equals 18 times 3 will give us 54 divided by 2 times 3 will give us 6. So on the left side, 27 divided by 3 will give us 9. And also on the right side, 54 divided by 6 will give us 9. That means our left side matches with the right side. Therefore, our x equals 3. Thank you for watching.